Have you ever wondered how a sneeze is represented especially in writing? If you don't know, please stick to the video. I will tell you in this video. Hello friends, I am Prashant. I welcome you all to educational stuff. Please have a glance on the screen. These are the words which you are gonna learn in this video. If you are very familiar with these words, you can skip this video, otherwise please stick to the screen. The first word is rein in. Rein in means to limit or control. Rein in means to limit or control something or someone. In a sentence usage, Congress must rein in spending. In other sentence, you have better rein that kid is before she gets hurt. Rein in means to limit or control, or in other context, to make stop by using reins. In sentence usage, the rider reined in horses. In other sentence, scientist funded by Zuckerberg urges him to rein in hate on Facebook. Anti-shoe. Anti-shoe means used especially in writing to represent the sound of sneeze. Used especially in writing to represent the sound of sneeze. Anti-shoe means it is an exclamatory sentence used especially in writing to represent the sound of sneeze. Littoral means relating to the or situated on the shore of the sea or lake. Littoral means on the shore of the sea. In a sentence usage, the littoral states of Indian Ocean. The littoral states of Indian Ocean. Littoral means on the shore of the sea or a lake. Situated on the shore of the sea or a lake. Sacrosanct. Sacrosanct means especially it's a principle or a place or a routine regarded as too important or valuable to be interfered with. Sacrosanct means, in other words, it is sacred. In sentence usage, the individual's right to work has been upheld as a sacrosanct. Sacrosanct means it's a principle or place or routine which is more sacred. In a sentence usage, the individual's right to work has been upheld as a sacrosanct. Expatriate. Expatriate means a person who lives outside their native country. In a sentence usage, American expatriates in London. Expatriate, I repeat, a person who lives outside their native country. In another sentence, we expatriated prisoners of war immediately after the end of the war. Next word is repatriate. Repatriate is an antonym of expatriate. Repatriate means send back to their own country. The lost German was repatriated in November. Another sentence, repatriation flights in phase 3 of Vande Bharat mission from June 10th. Repatriate means send back to their own country. Expatriate means a person who lives outside their native country. Blitz. Blitz means an intensive or sudden military attack. Blitz means an intensive or sudden military attack. In a sentence usage, a heavy artillery blitz. Blitz means attack or seriously damage. In other sentence, news come that the Rotterdam has been blitzed. Ratchet up. Ratchet up is a phrasal verb. It means to increase by a fixed amount or a fixed degree and seems unlikely to decrease again. Ratchet up means to increase by a fixed amount. In a sentence usage, China ratchets up media blitz on line of actual control. Ratchet up, in other context, the meaning is an attempt to ratchet up the pressure. It means to increase the pressure. In other sentence, he fears inflation will ratchet up as the year ends. Ratchet up means increase by a fixed amount. Averse. Averse means having a strong dislike of or opposition to something. Averse means an opposition or strong dislike. In a sentence usage, as a former CIA director, he is not averse to secrecy. He is not opposing to the secrecy. Averse means having strong dislike or opposition. Egalitarian. The pronunciation is egalitarian. Egalitarian means believing in or based on the principles that all the people are equal and deserve equal rights and opportunities. Egalitarian means everybody is equal. In a sentence usage, a fairer, more egalitarian society. A society which treats everybody is equal in the principles. Egalitarian means all the people are equal and deserve equal rights. In a sentence usage, a fairer or more egalitarian society. Take the bull by the horns. It is an idiom. It means to deal with a problem with a very direct or confident way, even though there is some risk in doing that particular work. Take the bull by the horns means to deal with a problem in a very direct way and a confident way. In a sentence usage, I decided to take the bull by the horn and ask him to leave. Another sentence, teachers who are intimidated by the technology now have been take the bulls by its horns. Take the bulls by its horns means to deal with the problem in a direct or confident way. The last word is exonerate. Exonerate means absolve from blame for fault or wrongdoing. An official body absolves someone from blame for fault or wrongdoing. In a sentence usage, an inquiry exonerated those involved. In other sentence, China exonerates self in white paper. I would like to sum up the things. The first word is rein in, means to limit or control. Attitude means it is expressed to represent the sound of sneeze. Littoral means relating to the coastal area or the shore of the sea. Sacrosanct means a principle which is sacred. Expatriate. Expatriate means a person who lives outside their national country. Repatriate. Repatriate means send someone back to their own country. Blitz. Blitz means an intensive or sudden military attack. Ratchet up. Ratchet up, it's a phrasal verb. It means to increase by a fixed amount. Averse. Averse means having a strong dislike or opposition. Egalitarian means believing in or based on the principle that the people are equal. Egalitarian means everybody is equal. Take the bull by the horns. It's an idiom. It means to deal with a problem which is very direct even though it is risky. Exonerate means absolve from blame for a fault or wrongdoing. That's the end of today's discussion. If you want to see the yesterday's and day before yesterday's vocabulary, I am giving it in the description, or you can press from the I icon. And before I conclude, I request you all to subscribe to my channel so that you can get every update whatever I post in this channel. Tomorrow you'll be joining at the same time. Thanks for joining me. Have a great day.